Okay, welcome back to the another session of network hacking. Today we will discuss the basics of network hacking with some real life knowledge. And like I was saying, one of my students who has gathered a tremendous knowledge on this network hacking. So I think before I will cover the topics, he will share something about these things. What is hacking, especially what is network hacking. Please continue.
A typical attacker's works in the following manner: identify that gathering information on the target system, finding a possible loophole in the target system, exploiting this loophole using exploit code, removing all traces from the log files, and escaping without a trace.
Yeah, so here we can see there are various types of attack. Like our specialist hacker just now has said about the hacking strategies. Now he will discuss about the denial of service attack and what is Trojan attacks. So there are various kind of endless number of attacks. So I think you must say about this. What are those endless number of attacks?
Denial of service attacks, threat from sniffing and key logging, Trojan attacks, IP snooping, buffer overflows, all other types of attacks.
So we will discuss the denial of service attack.
Well,
Okay,
DOS or
before continuing this, I just want to say our this specialist man, he has already done the denial of service attack earlier. He has already faced from the Red Shadow group of New Zealand based group, and from there he has protected our some computers, especially in our some of the other departments, from DDoS attack. It is a very dangerous attack. Now, how this attack works, now he will demonstrate that.
well, DOS or denial of services attacks are aimed to at denying valid, legitimate internet and network users access to the services offered by the target system. In other words, DOS attack is one in which you clock up so much memory on the target system that it cannot serve legitimate users. There are numerous type of denial of service attacks or DOS attacks.
Yeah, so this is a DOS attack. DOS attacks are of many types. Simple denial of service or DDoS type of attack. Now we both are speaking, you may feel awkward, but our objective is to give the proper practical knowledge. That's why I am also teaching along with the practical specialist hacker is also here. His name is again one and the only one Omlan, as I have heard told in the last class also. So let's continue. What are the types of DOS attack? Please continue from this here.
DOS attack, one of the DOS attack is ping of death attack, and the maximum packet size allowed to be transmitted by TCP or IP on a network is 65,536 byte, as you know. In the ping of death attack, a packet having a size greater than this maximum size allowed by TCP IP, it's sent to the target system. As soon as the target system received a packet exceeding the allowable size, then it crashes, reboots, or hangs. Um, uh, this attack can easily be executed by ping command as follows.
Yeah,
Uh,
I think Mr. Amlan, you want to say that being a great hacker, the ping command is very valuable impression in the hacking world, right?
yes,
So what is that popular ping name which you have used in the protection from of those three people from hacking?
as you can see in our PPT, that
Okay,
the
one of
ping
okay, please wait for we have another hacker. He wants to say something. Okay, please continue. It is there.
okay, ping I65540 hostname. Uh, So, and another attack is Trojan attacks, that is as it acts as a RAT or remote administration tool, which allow remote control and remote access to the attackers. It working principle is like that the server part of the Trojan is installed on the target system through uh, trickery or disguise,
Yes.
or that can hide
Yes,
themselves.
definitely.
This
This is one of the real problem which we people are facing. We don't understand what is a Trojan and what is a real virus. Please
Yes.
continue.
This server part listens on a predefined port for connections, and the attackers connects to this server part using the client part of the Trojan on the predefined port number. Once this is done, the attackers has complete control over the target system.
Yeah. So what are those Trojan attacks detection and countermeasures? How to detect and what are the countermeasure you must take?
Okay, detecting
Because
detect
being a real life hacker, you have experience on that. What? Please explain on this.
Okay, detecting Trojan attacks. It has several um, uh,
Port scanning. You mean
yes,
port scanning?
yes, port
We have to scan the
scanning.
port regularly.
Yes, port scan your own system regularly. If you find an irregular port open on which you usually do not have a service running, then your system might have a Trojan installed. Uh, one can remove a Trojan using any normal antivirus software.
So, Mr. Omlan, again, thank you for being in every valedictory session of this ethical hacking practical methodology, which you are sharing your valuable knowledge. At the end, please give a thanks to our users or our students who will watch this valuable video for
Oh,
their. So, what you want to say?
thank you all. Thank you everyone.
And we hope to see you in our upcoming classes also. Okay?
Obviously.
Thank you. Thank you.